Hey guys, it's Ryan. Welcome once again to my channel. Now in this video, I'm going to be unboxing a couple of items from Louis Vuitton, and these products are probably the cheapest yet very useful and practical. So these are the things that you would actually use in your everyday life, and this is probably the reason why these items are so hard to find. In fact, I've had to get an SA to actually assist me or help me acquire these items. So I've got a couple of items to unbox. So the first one is the Louis Vuitton notebook refill, and then the other one is the Louis Vuitton key pouch or key clay in the monogram classic print. So these two products are always out of stock in a lot of websites in a lot of countries, so it's always good to have a good relationship with an SA because they will help you find things that are a bit impossible to find. So like this one, you're looking at the Louis Vuitton notebook refill so it's just a simple small notebook, a little smaller than the standard A5 notebook. It's about a centimeter thick. It's got some gold detail on the edges of the pages, and then the cover will sort of remind you of the Louis Vuitton paper bag, but it's probably slightly thicker. And then the paper is super thin, but the quality is really good, and I bet it's gonna be super nice to write on. Yeah, and they said each page has like an LV watermark, which I couldn't really see. I don't know if it's my eyesight or whatever, but yeah, I couldn't see it. Now, a few weeks ago, I posted a video about my planner setup for 2021, and then I said in that video that I wanted to have like a full LV themed planner setup, but this notebook was actually out of stock, so I just opted for a moleskin notebook. But now that I got this notebook, the LV one, then I could get rid of the moleskin one and then maybe use it for something else, maybe for my school, my studies rather. So the Louis Vuitton desk agenda cover normally fits a standard A5 size notebook and planner, but like I said, the notebook refill that I bought is slightly smaller than the A5 size notebook, but for me, to be honest, I don't think it's much of an issue because it still looks okay. It still works. The back cover of the notebook still fits in the back pocket of the desk agenda cover, and I guess the fact that it's shorter than the standard notebook is a good thing, I think, because it will sort of expose the hot stamping on one of the card compartments. So the moleskin notebook, by the way, retails for about $20 US, and then the LV notebook refill retails for $62 US. So as you can see, I'm still trying to decide whether or not I'm going to use that adhesive pen holder that I bought from AliExpress. I probably won't because I don't want to put any adhesive on the notebook. Yeah, so there you go, my 2021 planner setup, full LV theme. So before I reveal the next item, I would like to give a shout out to Muchi Lavinia. She's the sales associate who is based in Queenstown, New Zealand, the Louis Vuitton store there. So she helped me purchase this item, and so when these a piece arrived in New Zealand before it became available for online purchase, she texted me first, so I was able to purchase this by phone. So that's really good. And then when she sent me the item, then she also gave me some perfume samples because I've been wanting to get to try the fragrance line of Louis Vuitton. So I might get myself a bottle next month. So yeah, just to try it out. So yeah, so we ordered the key pouch or the key clay in the monogram classic pattern or this or print. So it's a monogram canvas, and it's such a hot commodity. It's very hard to find, always out of stock. But yeah, we managed to get it. But we actually bought it, I think, a week after they've increased the pricing, because this was I think 365 New Zealand dollars before, and then we bought it for 400 New Zealand dollars. So that's a bit of a price increase, but yeah. It is what it is. At least you know that what you're buying from Louis Vuitton in sort of appreciates in value. So yeah, you guys would have seen the video that I posted on the key pouch that I bought as well from the Queenstown store. It is in the Damier event. So this is just the monogram classic version of it. So it's exactly the same key pouch. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you want to see more videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified every time I upload a new video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.